What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows Nashville in VirtualBox. Windows Nashville is a public beta release that was supposed to be released in 1996, and it was expected to be called Windows 96. You'll see it in the add and remove program section. Yeah, it's also known as Windows 96. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is, of course, you need to install MS-DOS 6.22. After that, you're going to have to install Windows 95 for this. You have to install Windows 95 in order to install Windows Nashville. This is going to upgrade to Windows Nashville build 999, or simply build 999. So there will be VirtualBox, 7-zip or WinRAR, the video tutorial on how to install MS-DOS 6.22, a video tutorial on how to install Windows 95, and a direct link to WinRAR PC to get Windows Nashville. So click on New, then type in Windows Nashville. I'll type in Nashville. Make sure you set it as Windows 95 and then hit Next, Next, Create, Next, Next, Create. Then click on Settings, System, Acceleration, and you're going to turn off Enable VTX AMDV. Then go to Storage, click on the empty disk, and look for your MS-DOS 6.22 image files. Once you're done with MS-DOS, you're going to install the CD-ROM driver, and then after that, you should be installing Windows 95. When you're done installing Windows 95, you should now then go ahead and install Windows Nashville. So I'll show you proof that we're running Windows 95. So here you go, it says Windows 95 4.0 build 950B. So what you're going to do is you're going to insert your Windows Nashville image file. It should be an ISO file. Then go to My Computer, go to your D drive, it should say New. Once you're there, click on Setup. Then click Continue. So step 1, you need to install MS-DOS 6.22. Step 2, you need to install Windows 95. And now this is step 3. So click on Yes, and click Next, Next, and now it's gonna check for installed components. And then it's gonna check for available disk space. We're at 99%. It should be done. Then click. Make sure it's set to yes. You can do no if you want, but we're gonna set on next. We're gonna set to yes and then hit next. And now it's gonna save the existing MS-DOS and Windows system files. In this case, Windows 95. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. So I'll be back. Once it's finished, click on Next. Then click Next. Then click on Next. It's going to analyze your computer. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Once it's finished, I'm going to uncheck that and then hit Next. Then hit Next. Oh. Then click Next. Then click on no, I do not want to start up disk. Then hit next. Then hit next. And now it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. So I'll be back. If this error comes up, just hit skip file. So it will probably install some things you will need. If this comes up, just hit no to all, and it will start. It will continue installing Windows. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video. So I'll be back. Now you're ready to restart. So click on finish. If this shows up, go ahead and take that out, because make sure you don't even have your disks in here. And now it's gonna continue running Windows 95 or Windows Nashville. So it's now installing Windows Nashville. And now go ahead and click on OK. And then if this shows up, just hit and no. And now it's going to finish the setup. So it's going to do the control panel, programs on the start menu, Windows help, MS-DOS program settings, time zone, and Microsoft Exchange. Click on close, and now it's going to configure Microsoft Exchange. Hit cancel, and then click yes, and now hit OK. And now it's going to restart. And now it is starting up Windows Nashville. It should not take that long. You may see some bugs happening. Now if this comes up, just hit OK, then hit no, of course. Now it's going to finalize your settings. And there you go, you have successfully installed. If this comes up, just click on don't ask this question again, and then hit no. So that's how to install Windows Nashville and VirtualBox. If I right click my computer, hit properties, it should say Windows 95. Instead of 4.0, it should say 4.10.999. If you go to start, settings, control panel, add remove programs, you should see that it says Windows 96. So that's how to install Windows Nashville. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon when I upload new videos. Also follow me on Twitter at RubenUpADCO17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install Windows Nashville and VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.